Now, in that email, you can also click on it and sign on it if you want to go ahead. So what it will do, if I go into its story, it'll notify me the office copy is sent, the customer has seen the quote at this time, and
Mm-hmm.
is signed on it.
Mm-hmm.
Usually what will happen, you will get a notification pop up here.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't need to drill into this. A small notification will pop up to show you customer have clicked on it, signed on it, all that stuff. And if you click on it, it'll bring straight to that particular story. So now you can open that quote and he's signed on it, so it's approved. So from not approved into you click on approve.
Mm-hmm.
Once you do that, it'll do two things. It'll lock your type, material, color, and the price. Even if you go ahead and change any measurements, it will not change any information, just in case you agreed on a price with that client. And then you can also transfer this data into any of your accounting platform by authorizing your logins. And if you go back into your story, you can see from a quote number, it have a job number.